Something big is happening in the AI market right now, and most people are completely missing it. In the last 90 days, 3 AI companies quietly crossed profit milestones that Wall Street didn't even see coming. We're talking about a wave of money moving into AI stocks right now, before the real explosion hits. If you're a beginner investor wondering where to put your money in 2026, this video is exactly for you. I'm breaking down the 5 best AI stocks to buy now. Simple. No jargon. No hype. Let's go. Here's what most people don't understand about AI right now. We are not in the middle of the AI boom. We are still at the very beginning. In 2024, global AI spending was around $235 billion. By 2030, it's projected to hit $1 trillion. That's a 4x increase in just 6 years. Every major company on the planet is rushing to either build AI or buy AI, and that means the companies that make AI possible, the chips, the software, the data infrastructure, are going to grow dramatically. Think of it like the internet in 1998, except this time we know it's real. So who wins from that? Let me walk you through exactly 5 AI stocks positioned to benefit. Starting with the most obvious one. Stock number 1, Nvidia. Ticker, NVDA. If AI runs on electricity, Nvidia makes the power plants. Nvidia's chips, called GPUs, are the backbone of almost every AI system in the world. ChatGPT runs on them. Google's AI runs on them. Meta's AI runs on them, and demand is exploding. In their last earnings report, Nvidia's data center revenue hit $35 billion in a single quarter. That's more than most companies make in an entire year. Why? Because every time a company wants to build or run an AI model, they need Nvidia chips to do it. And those chips are still in short supply. For beginners, think of Nvidia like this. In a gold rush, you don't bet on who finds gold. You sell shovels. Nvidia is the shovel. Is it cheap? No, but the question isn't whether Nvidia is expensive. It's whether AI demand justifies the price. Stock number 2, Microsoft. Ticker, MSFT. Most people still think of Microsoft as the company that makes Word and Excel. That era is over. Microsoft made one of the smartest bets in business history, a $13 billion investment into OpenAI. Now they're embedding AI into every product they own. Azure Cloud, Teams, Office 365, GitHub, every single product is getting smarter, and that means every Microsoft customer is paying more. Azure, their cloud business, grew 29% last quarter, and AI was the primary reason. Here's why this matters for beginners. Microsoft has something most AI stocks don't: stability. It pays dividends. It holds $80 billion in cash. This isn't a risky startup. It's a 50-year-old company that just plugged itself into the biggest tech shift of our lifetime. Stock number 3, Palantir. Ticker, PLTR. This one surprises people. But hear me out. Palantir is an AI software company that helps governments and businesses make real decisions using data, not chatbots. Real intelligence systems, moving money, managing supply chains, coordinating defense operations. Their revenue grew 36% last year. Their customer count doubled in 12 months. And here's what most beginners miss. Palantir just turned profitable. A company that's growing fast and becoming profitable? That's exactly the setup long-term investors look for. Stock number 4, Amazon. Ticker, AMZN. Most people think of Amazon and see a shopping website. But Amazon's real business, the one making serious money, is cloud computing. AWS, Amazon Web Services, is the largest cloud platform in the world, and AI runs on cloud. Every startup building an AI product needs AWS. Every enterprise scaling AI needs AAZs. Last quarter, AWS generated $28 billion in revenue, growing 17% year over year. And Amazon just committed $100 billion to AI infrastructure investment through 2026. This is a company that isn't just riding the AI wave. It's building the ocean the wave travels on. Stock number 5, AMD. Ticker, AMD. Everyone talks about Nvidia. Almost nobody talks about AMD. Here's the thing. When one company dominates a market, the number 2 player usually gets a massive opening. AMD is quietly building their AI chip business while the whole world is distracted by Nvidia. Their MI300 chip has become the go-to alternative for companies that can't get Nvidia chips fast enough. AMD's data center revenue grew 69% last year. Lower entry price than Nvidia. Faster growth rate in AI chips. AMD is the Nvidia alternative that nobody in the beginner investing space is talking about yet. So there they are. The 5 best AI stocks for 2026. Number 1, Nvidia, the AI infrastructure king. Number 2, Microsoft. Number 3, Palantir. Number 4, Amazon. Number 5, AMD. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. If this helped you, subscribe to Future Finance Lab. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 stocks are you most interested in? And watch this video next. It covers exactly how AI is reshaping the entire stock market. See you there.